Advent Stories, Day 19. The Christmas Sound. Once there was a little boy who could not hear the sounds of the world. He couldn't hear bells, music, or laughter. As Christmas approached, everyone talked about the sound of the holiday. Bells, songs, and joyful melodies. The boy only watched. He saw smiles, moving lips, glowing lights. But the sounds never reached him. One evening, he sat beneath the Christmas tree. He touched the ornaments, the pine branches, and felt the warmth of the candles. That's when he realized, Christmas is not made only of sounds. It lives in hugs, in gentle looks, in quiet togetherness. When his mother squeezed his hand, the boy heard love. Not with his ears, but with his heart. He understood that Christmas has a sound everyone can hear, if they listen with an open heart. The most beautiful sounds are not heard, they are felt. A new Advent story arrives tomorrow.